Welcome back. Today we are unboxing Samsung washing machine top load. Samsung Wobble technology top load washing machine. On the top side we can see the glass. Many functions like washing, rinsing, spin, water level, power on, pause button, normal, quick wash, Soak+Normal, energy saving, eco tub clean, delicates, cycle, delay and end. Handle clip to lift the washing machine. It supports both cold water and hot water. Power plug. Water inlet. Water draining. Water inlet pipe. User manual. Washing tub. Detergent input. Waste material collector. With stainless steel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.